Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 24. In the diagram, XYZ is an equilateral triangle of side 6 cm and T is the midpoint of XY. Find tan angle XZT. So we are asked to find tan of this angle XZT. So this angle here, I are asked to find the tan. Now, since this is an equilateral triangle, it simply means that all sides and all angles of this triangle are equal. So line xt, which is equals to line xt, now that's here to here, is equals to, since from since xy is 6 cm, that's the side of an equilateral triangle, xt will be equals to 6 cm all over 2, since it is half that line, and that is equal to 3 cm. Now to find zt, that is this line that's divided the equilateral triangle into two, using Pythagoras theorem. So line zt square is equals to 6 square, which is the hypotenuse one side, minus 3 square, which is what, the opposite of the angle. Since this line zt is the adjacent side of this angle, so this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side of the angle, and this is the adjacent side of the angle. So line zt square will be equals to 36 minus 9, and that is equals to 27. So zt is equals to the square root of 27, and that is equals to square root of 9 times 3. 9 times 3 will give us 27, and that is equals to square root of 9 will give us 3. So plus times the root 3, so we have 3 root 3. So now we have the adjacent side to be what? The adjacent side to be equals to 3 root 3. Meanwhile, the opposite is equals to 3 cm, and then the hypotenuse is 6 cm. Now using tan, because we are asked to find tan angle XZT, so tan angle XZT is equals to, remember tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. Now the opposite is 3 cm, so we have 3 all over, the adjacent is 3 root 3. 3 root 3. 3 we cancel 3, giving us 1 all over root 3. So the answer to this question is option A, 1 over root 3. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.